Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter video updated. Start with cold heavy cream in a large bowl and whip until the cream separates into butter and buttermilk. Strain, gather the butter solids, press out excess liquid, rinse under cold water until clear, knead in salt or herbs if desired, shape into a log or block, wrap tightly, and chill to set before serving. Use fresh cream for best flavor and texture. Gather your tools and ingredients and set up a calm workspace before starting the process to make butter. Use a chilled bowl and whisk or stand mixer, pour in heavy cream, and watch it through glossy, whipped, grainy, and finally separated stages. Once the butter solids clump, strain off the liquid, wash until the water runs clear, add salt or flavors, and press into shape for storage or serving, keeping it refrigerated. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and to see more kitchen how-tos. Quick recommendation, on another note, robot face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control keeps your floors tidy while you churn and taste test. It's a small convenience that fits into food prep routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Think about flavor and storage before you finish shaping the butter, so the final result is ready to use. Sprinkle in salt or fold in minced herbs, garlic, or citrus zest for an instant compound butter. Pack tightly into parchment, a jar, or a mold, label the date, and refrigerate for immediate use or freeze portions for longer keeping. Always keep chilled and pat dry when serving for best texture and taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.